This 2026 Winnebago Travato 59G is a Class B RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, mid-bath. This 2026 Winnebago Travato 59G is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Ram engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.